Hi, we are happy to showcase our new 3D packaging solution. It is specially designed to offer personalized experience to your clients for packaging product ordering. It is available as an add-on solution and can be added in your OnPrintShop solution. We would like to showcase key functionalities of solution. First, storefront, instant price calculator which has length, width, and depth. Second, in Designer Studio, online designing for outside as well as inside with instant 3D preview. We are offering 3 boxes as a part of solution, which are product boxes, mailer boxes, and shipping boxes. Apart from the mentioned boxes, on request, we can create new packaging box types with additional costs based on feasibility. And third, in the back end, for its price calculation, you can use our new advanced formula for options like printing cost, crease length cost, cutting cost, etc. Options variable formula, especially for this product we bring you the advanced level of product options pricing. You will have the facility to create your own variable formula and use those variables into defining the custom formula for your master product options. Let's see how is the experience for your end clients in storefront. Here is the product box where customer can enter length, width, and depth. Price will be calculated by our dynamic price calculator. When you click on custom design, you will be in Designer Studio, where you can customize box from inside as well as outside. You can also update length, width, and depth from Designer Studio, and canvas will change according to it. Now let me show you the created design and how it looks like. Here you can see the 3D preview of box. 3D preview will show real-time changes. You can see the real-time changes as I am changing it. Let's see how to configure this product in admin. Here we are showing you already created product. Product box, so it will be almost same as our standard product. There are a few changes. First, you need to select packages in product type. This 3D packaging can only be configured by custom size price defining method. Rest of all settings will remain same as normal products. For base price, you just need to set as normal custom size product. The major settings are given in setting under custom size. So you can see here length, width, and depth, and you can restrict all these with minimum and maximum sizes. Here you can see unfold width formula and unfold height formula. At front end we are taking length, width, and depth, and our price calculator will work on basis of area, which is width multiplied by height. So we can say height and width of unfold box, or can say flat. You can keep your formulas to calculate width and height. By default we are using this formula to calculate width, and this one is to calculate height. So by finding out width and height, our dynamic price calculator will calculate the price. We have created options variable formula, so you just need to go to product option and click on formula. Here you can create as many formula as you want, and later on while creating product option you can use these formula as variables. Let's say for example if you want to create a formula to calculate crease line. Let's say we are taking name single folding crease line, and we are giving variable name as SFCL, and this would be the formula. Now just go to product option. Here you can create product option. Suppose if you want to add pricing for crease line, as crease line will be created in some other machine and there will be additional cost, which you want to take from customer and don't want to show to customer. So you can create product option as crease line cost or cutting cost, and here you can see type as admin only, so it won't be visible at front end but price will be calculated. In custom formula you can use the pre-created formula as variable. For example, we have created SFCL as formula, which you can directly use as variable. Let's see how we can assign created product option to product. Just go to product option, action, and select additional option. Click on Assign Product Option. Here you can see all the created product options. By clicking on Save button, the Create option will be assigned to the product. You can see package printing cost and package creasing cost has been assigned with the created formula. Hope you like the 3D packaging solution. It will help you offer wide range of personalized packaging products online. If you need any more information, contact us at www.onprintshop.com.